If CapCut is stopping your export with error code 111, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you two simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a really common issue, and it can happen because of hardware acceleration settings or a corrupted cache inside the app. The good news is, you do not need advanced editing skills to fix it. Just follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to try both solutions safely. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials and editing fixes. Let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your Windows computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and click Menu, then go into Settings. This is where CapCut keeps its main performance and export options. Inside the Settings window, find the Performance tab. The option we want here is called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If this is enabled, it can sometimes trigger export errors like 111 on certain devices or graphics setups. So go ahead and uncheck that option to disable hardware acceleration. After that, click Save to apply the change. Now try exporting your video again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If you still see the same error, move on to the second fix, which is clearing CapCut's cache. To do that, go back into the Settings menu. This time, make sure you are in the Draft tab. In that section, CapCut shows your cache size and temporary stored files. Next to the cache size, you should see a delete icon. Click that delete icon, then confirm that you want to clear the cache. This removes unnecessary temporary files that may be causing the export issue. Once the cache is cleared, restart CapCut if needed, then try exporting your project one more time. This simple refresh often resolves weird glitches, including error code 111. If the first fix did not work, the second one gives CapCut a clean slate, which can make a big difference. And if your export works after these steps, you're all set. You've just fixed CapCut error code 111 using two easy methods that take only a minute or two. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.